What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have the UMEVO Note Plus. This is a magnetic AI voice recorder. It has noise reduction, mobile AI assistant, all of that good stuff, and you have 140 language converted to text. All right. And on top of that, you can stick this onto the back of your phone. This has been sent out by the company. They like the way I review my products. So we are going to do a deep dive on this just to test it out, see how it works and all of that good stuff. So let's go ahead and see what this thing has to offer. This thing is tiny. Wow, look at that, you guys. I thought it was bigger than this. Dang. Now, I was seeing this on ads on social media. This is Black Friday week. So once I see all the information, I'll let y'all know. I'll put the links in the description. I'll put their website in the description and all of that good stuff. I also asked if they can give my viewers a code. That way, when they purchase it, they can get a discount. So we'll see how that goes. I'll do another video letting y'all know if it's a discount and all of that stuff. But right now, I just want to unbox it, get familiar with it and all of that good stuff, use it, and then I can do a really good review, a deep dive to let y'all know all the good features. This is very tiny, you guys. Like, I'm ready to show y'all a comparison. This is an iPhone 16 Pro Max, okay? Look at that. You can't even tell. Like, nobody will know what is going on when you have this little device, okay? You get a magnetic pouch, you get a magnetic ring, charger wire, and then you have another little USB Type-C converter, and that way you can convert, and you have a USB port right there, so you can charge if you need to charge. So this is the charger pins right here. If you need to charge, flip it over, USB right there, Type-C, you can charge, or if you want to charge via USB, you can. Either way, you're charging. All right, there goes the pins to charge it. You look on the back and then other way. All right, and that's how you charge it. You have your magnetic pouch, put it right there, sticks right onto your phone. Very nice. All right, sticks right on. So if you need to record anybody separately than your phone, like let's say you want this to be your main base to record stuff and hub everything on here, instead of using your phone, you can hub everything right on this device right there. Okay, so 25% discount on the recorder right here. So that is very nice. They do have the magnetic ring if you just want to put the magnetic ring on here. But I think I'd rather have it in the pouch. I feel more comfortable with it being in the pouch. That's just me, you guys. All right. So I think I will have it in a pouch just like that. And that will be it. So let me charge it up, download the app, and then I will further finish off the review. Okay, you guys, so I have been with this recorder for a week now, and I have to say I love this thing. Okay, I love it because I come from a different era where I was a tech geek. I used to love getting devices like this. I used to have like tape recorders and stuff like that. If you was out there in the 90s, you know what I'm talking about, you guys. All right, the little recorders, and you can record and use it separately. But back then we didn't have like phones, and if you had a phone, you was like ultra rich in the 90s, right? But back then we didn't have phones, but we did have like little recorders and stuff. And yeah, so this is similar to that. Good thing about this is you get, I think it's 60 something gigs. But with that, we're talking about audio. Now with audio, you rarely going to use 60 something gigs, you guys. That's just the honest truth. Now you get this, you download the app. When you download the app, you're going to connect it. You will have to turn it on, and then you will have to hit the connect button. So we did all of that already. I'm going to turn it on right now, and it says welcome. Once I turn it on, it should get connected right there. Give it a little while. All right, now it says connected. So you see I didn't touch anything. So it connects automatically. Now, with that being said, you have two slots here. One is for regular recording. So right here is record, right? And then when you swipe it over and you see call, you can actually record your phone calls. So I recorded me and my wife, and they said to record phone calls, make sure the phone is make sure your recorder is on the back of your phone like this. It basically picks up the vibration of the person that is talking. So if you want to record phone calls and all of that good stuff, you can do that with this. I know some people be like, oh, you got apps and stuff like that, but a lot of people don't have those type of apps. And plus, you can use this for multiple things. It's good to have an app to record, but you can use this to record phone calls, to record conference meetings and stuff like that. And I know, again, some people might say, oh, well, I could just use my phone. Y'all got to keep in mind that not everybody's job is allowed to have their phone, okay? Or their classroom. Remember, some people go to class, college students, or maybe high school students, seniors or whatever. Maybe they are not allowed to have phones because I know some school policies now are not allowing phones in the classroom, all right? You have to keep it in your book bag. But this is not a phone. It's a recorder. And the beauty of this is, look at the size difference. Will this look like an inconvenience on your desk than a big size phone or a medium size phone? I got my Google upstairs, but this is not an inconvenience, you guys. It's very, very small. It is approximately 3 inches and it is so thin, almost paper thin, you guys. All right. Almost paper. So that's the beauty about. All right. And then it's instant. Everything is instant on here. I think I got the phone call with me and my wife. Let me see. I think this is a phone call with me and my wife, and she was actually clear. What you do is you got to hold the button down. When you hold the button down, you see the waves, the wave format right here. And once you see the wave, you are recording. Okay. So I'm going to go and record, and this thing uploads to the app instantly, like instantly. So right now I am in record mode, right? I'm going to hold the button. I'm not hold it. I'm going to tap the button. I'm going to tap it again. Now I'm in record mode. So you don't need to have the app on to do this. I'm just showing y'all that it does it instantly. And yeah, so I'm gonna hit the button again to turn it off. Well, I hit it twice because I had to turn it on. All right, so I hit the button twice and it's right there. It came through instantly. So you guys, this thing is not a joke, okay? And on top of that, you can do their subscription. I believe they have a 1-year free subscription, which is not bad. But they do have a subscription on here where you can record in different languages and it will transcribe for you and all that type of stuff, you guys. So I will definitely drop the link in the description below to their website. And not only that, you can keep it on here and then connect it. All right, so you can put it on here, connect it to your computer, and you can actually download your audio from here to your computer. All right. Now, if you want to erase what's on here, you have to go onto there where you go to my and erase right here. Where is it at? Record settings. You go to record settings. And when you go to record settings, you can hit format and all of that. You can erase, unbind. Just in case you don't want this no more, you want to resell it, make sure that you empty out all sensitive information, okay? Because that's what this is. This is basically a recorder as a hard drive, all right? This is basically a recorder. So even if you don't have your phone, you don't have nothing with you, you have this with you, all you do, hit that button, record, and it will store in this device right here. So this is well worth it, especially if you have a certain job. Maybe lawyers might use this, students, lawyers, doctors, anybody who wants to use something else besides their phone because maybe the phone is too bulky and all of that stuff. So yeah, again, I will drop the link in the description. This is on a discount sale right now, I believe until like December or something like that. I will drop all of that down, but they do have a discount on this as we speak. So yeah, and that will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.